This video is promoted and sponsored by Keys.
Hi all, welcome back to Alice in Kitchen. Today's recipe is chicken soup. Let us see how to make chicken soup. For that I have taken 250 grams of chicken which I have cleaned and I have kept. For the soup recipe, chicken with the skin is the best option. So let us proceed further. Let me add the chicken to the cooker. Next, I am going to add few curry leaves, few mint leaves, and half of chopped onions, and little bit of coriander leaf, and one medium sized potato which I have cut into pieces like this, and one small sized tomato which I have chopped and I am adding. Next, I am going to add about half a spoon of pepper powder and quarter spoon of turmeric powder and about 1 spoon of powdered salt. Now I am going to add about 2 glasses of water to the chicken. Let us boil this for about 3 whistles. Now the cooker is cooled completely after 3 whistles. Let us open. You can see the chicken soup is cooked well and it is ready to serve. Let me transfer it to a serving bowl. Now the chicken soup is ready to serve. I will show you how to serve this chicken soup for the young toddlers. You can filter and take the soup. I have taken 1 cup of rice. Let us add 1 piece of potato to it and smash it along with the rice in this manner. Smash the potato well with the rice. Let us add little bit of soup to it and smash again completely. In this manner. Now the rice is completely smashed. Let us take little bit of soup, filtered soup, and add like this to it. And I am going to add about quarter spoon, 1 drop of butter to the soup. Let us smash mix well. You can see the soup rice is ready. Now you can feed this to the children above 1 year. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.